Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add a video in your Unity project. So for this, in our hierarchy panel, right click and choose video and add this video component. So as you can see in this video component, in the inspector tab, we need two things. First is our clip and second is our texture. So first assign the video here, video clip. So here is my .mp for video clip. I have assigned this. Now I need a texture. So for this, come to the project session, right click here, go to create, go to what is this, rendering, then in this render texture. So this is our texture where our video will play, our will be rendered. So I will name the video here. So now we have to resize our texture according to our screen. So 1920 so this is the size of our screen where we will play this video. So now we have our texture coming to back to the video player. So we have assigned the video clip and we will now add this texture, drag and drop. Now we need a image for the canvas. So we will again go to the hierarchy, right click, then UI, then add this raw image. Okay. You can name it video canvas. Now also position it and resize this. So I will position it to the center. Now I will resize this according to my display. So this image will also need this texture. So the texture we have created, we will assign this. Okay. So now our video is ready. If we will play, our video will play.
Watch the left flank.
I will position this soon. Now we will take this to the top so that the video will play in the background. Here you can see our video is playing in the background and our logo of the game and buttons, all the UI are on top of the video.